Yes, babies. The day has finally fucking come. It's time to take the BMW s1000rr out to play. Some cheap Chinese knockoff. But we are back, baby. 60 degrees outside. Can't fucking believe it. February. We're going for a ride. It feels so incredible to be on this bike. I need to get used to where the clutch grabs because I haven't ridden in a while and I stalled. It's been a while. Give me a break. Give me a break. Give me a fucking break. It's your boy, Shift Style. Alright, we're gonna go. Oh! Yes! Oh, this culminates the end of seasonal depression, the end of Gumar, the end of all the bad shit from last year and all the good shit. 2025, here we are, first ride of the year. I am so fucking pumped. I don't even know where to go. I'm so happy right now. I am so fucking happy. We have a 60-degree day today, and I literally have the day off. I babysat my beautiful niece all morning with my sister. I didn't really babysit, I just go to hang out with the baby. And woo! Everything is beautiful. Life is grand. I'm on my beautiful machine. I am so friggin' happy. I mean, words just, if you ride, you get it. It was just a miserable couple of months without this bike. The Scout served its purpose. I still have it. It's just fucking garbage. I don't want that anymore. Ugh. 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 My beautiful machine. The only problem is that there's a lot of salt on the roads because we've had some pretty fucking freezing temperatures. And obviously I'm gonna fucking get salt all over my bike, but you know what, I don't care because you know what, I want to ride, and I have a detail department at my dealership, and I'll just clean the fucking bike there every day if I have to, and I will, and I will, and I will. So this is the year I'm gonna do all the performance modifications to this bike. It's not gonna be no track monster. I'm not gonna take it to the track. This is just my peruse while I cruise. I gotta do this. I can't see anything. I still can't see anything. This one I can see fine. This one I need to just a little bit. There we go. I love you, my BMW. I love you more than the Gumar. Yep, Gumar is gone. 2024 is gone. 2025, my New Year's resolution is to replace the word jealousy with inspired. Oh my God, I'm so inspired. Instead of I'm so jealous, I'm so inspired. You know what? Maybe instead of being negative, you should be inspired. I am so happy. I am Seriously, the happiest boy. Oh yes, baby, the mouth don't stop. The pops! Huh, the pops! I haven't heard the pops in a while. Let's see what we got. Alright, I gotta, this clutch, I gotta, it grabs a little too out. A little too out for my taste. Like the Challenger, when I had the Challenger, I mean, you're literally like this much, and then it starts to go. Speaking of the Challenger, Indian puts the Power Plus 112 in their Big Bagger series. I'm just like, you don't have to just get a Challenger or Pursuit, you can get a Chieftain too. That is fucking awesome. I'm stoked about the Chieftain. Kinda want to grab one. Maybe I'll do a test ride or something. It feels so good to be on you, my beautiful. I got tank grips. That's what I did. And then I got those stupid stickers for the rims that I'm gonna put on after, I don't know. I'll put them on. Cheap Chinese shit. I don't know. You know what? I have to go to my job and I have to see if my client emailed me because I need him to be in tomorrow at 10 in the morning so I can fucking sell him his car. Great guy. He's a Navy vet. Came in, didn't really know what he was looking for, and I helped him pick out a car, worked within his budget and everything, and I got him a great deal. You need a car? Hit me up. I'll get you a great deal. You just have to like Volkswagen. Not a lot of people do. I love Volkswagen. It's my shit. Audi's nice too. But I'm just so happy. This feels good. Oh my god, I'm so fucking happy. I'm sorry, I can't stop saying about how fucking happy I am. I am absolutely in heaven right now. Absolutely. I got my bike back. The world just makes sense once again. Everything is perfect. Everything is gonna be perfect. What do we got here? She needs screwing. We got the hill hold. Come on, hill hold. Let's get it. Don't like where the fucking clutch grabs. I'll be straight up with you. I gotta readjust it. Or maybe I just gotta stop being a bitch and get used to it. Maybe I gotta do that. Oh, you gotta be fucking shitting me. The train's probably come. Slow speed maneuvers, baby. Oh, the hot engine feels good between my legs. I mean, even though it is like high 50s, low 60s, it's still kind of cold. And I wonder if I'm still recording. Yeah, I'm still recording. It just feels good, man. It just everything feels great. Everything feels great. So how was your New Year's? I bet it was pretty good. Mine, I spent the evening with my band. We played a set, practiced, and then I partied with them until like 4:35 in the morning. That was awesome. My people party. We were watching Beauty and the Beast. My bassist girlfriend and friends were just sitting there watching Beauty and the Beast. It was hilarious, darling. It was hilarious. It was hilarious. Yeah, I really gotta go to work. Gotta go to work. Gotta make sure this guy answered my email. I mean, I left him my fucking cell phone number. Call me, Mr. De Leon. Ugh. All the fucking yellow lights. I'm just gonna jump out. As soon as the light turns green, I'm gonna jump out. Smells like pot. Look at the perro. Hey, perro. Gotta be careful here because people just love to fucking jump out. Gotta be careful. Feels so good to be riding. Feels so good. So good. So good. And not just riding anything. It's riding the BMW. This one down. It's a 00. See what I mean? Hi, perro. Hello, perro. Hello, perro. I love perros. Let's go. Okay. I gotta schedule service because I gotta do my 6,000 mile oil change service. I don't know how many miles I'm gonna put on this fucking bike from now until April. April is my 1 year with this bike. April is my 1 year with this beautiful machine. All I see is you. Yep.